Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Equality versus justice. Sometimes justice is confused with equality, so that the meaning of justice becomes equality should be maintained, when this is not so. Equality is not a condition for justice. Rather, rights and priorities must be considered. As an example, justice in a classroom of students is not that they all receive equal grades, and justice between two workers is not that they receive equal wages. Rather, justice is that each student should be graded according to his knowledge and ability, and each worker be judged according to his work and activity. In the world of nature also, justice in the extensive sense means just this. The heart of a whale, which weighs 1 ton, cannot be compared to the heart of a sparrow, which is perhaps not more than 1 gram in weight. If they were equal in size, there would be no justice. Similarly, if the roots of a very tall tree were equal in size to the roots of a small plant, this is not justice, but is equivalent to oppression. Justice is that every creature receives its rights in proportion to its abilities and needs. In other words, justice is not equality, but equity.
Difference between equality and equity. See, one ensures everybody gets the same thing, while the other ensures everybody gets the something they need. Take 3 neighborhoods. Each one is situated across from the grocery store. One has no transportation system, and the streets aren't safe at night. One needs a boat to get there, and one is positioned a block away. Equality says, we hand them all boots and tell them to make do. One-size-fits-all solutions for problems that require more than one resolution. But equity, the quality of being fair and impartial, speaks to access. Equity speaks to safety. Equity speaks to transportation. Equity speaks to understanding. Equity speaks to the actual human condition.